Are you ready to 10 times your lead generation and get more people on your email list? If you are a coach or a course creator and you're ready to get more leads onto your email list, I want you to stay to the end of this video and I'm going to show you and share with you my case study. My name is Monica Bravo. I am an intuitive business strategist and I help course creators and coaches with lead generation. So if you are a business owner and you want more strategies on marketing and ads, and of course your mindset, please click below to subscribe. If you've been sitting at your computer and paralyzed and wondering how other people are getting leads and low cost leads, that is, then I want you to think about how people come into your current vortex or your funnel. Are they coming in through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube? Are you providing something free for them so that they are ready to hop on board and get to know you? If you're paralyzed and sitting at your computer and wondering why no one's buying your course and no one's booking a call, I want you to stay to the end of this video. I'm going to give you a foolproof formula so that you can see how quizzes will 10 times your lead generation. I have proven this formula with hundreds of clients, and I really want you to understand how I 10 times Jen's email list. She went from 0 and we multiplied that quick. So let's start with step one. Step one, you are going to figure out what your client's biggest desire is. What is their desire? What do they want to know right in this moment? And how can you answer that? So for the first step, it's really just finding out your niche, your avatar, and writing down how you can solve that problem with them through question and answer. If you have a business, you would also want to say, what is your best brand voice? Or if you are a relationship coach, what is your abundant love archetype? These are all ideas. Also, what photographer are you? What natural element are you? So once you have the answer to their biggest problem, step two is writing the questions. How are you going to make these questions simple and easy so that they just click on through? I'm going to show you some examples of quizzes that I've used in the past. Here are some ideas for you to create your quiz that converts. You can use these. What is your best-selling brand voice? What is your entrepreneur archetype? What is your jewelry style? What is your digital marketing strength? What is your dosha? What is your parenting style? What is your workout personality? How healthy are you really? So the key tool I use, it's called Interact, and I set up all my clients on this software program. It's low cost and really, pro tip, you can use their templates. So once you find the template, that's step three, then you can change all the answers and the questions so that it really tunes into who you are as a coach, as an entrepreneur. It's very easy to switch up your questions and your answers. All you have to do is click on here and say, oh yes, here's your anniversary, and you put in the questions that you actually created. So you can use templates, change the questions, and change the answers, which are the results. So please comment below and let me know if you've ever taken a quiz before, because I know they are irresistible. So also let me just say that it's best to only use about 7 to 10 questions, and there's a variety of quizzes that you can use. You can use a personality quiz, one of my favorite, what type of coffee are you? You can use an assessment quiz, which chakra is out of balance, which energy center is out of balance. You can use what is your brand superpower? I like to use that quiz. You can use several quizzes. You are not limited. So the final step, most important step for me, is integrating your email server. So whether it's Kartra, Kajabi, MailChimp, what I want you to do is make sure that you integrate your email server with the answers to your quiz. So my number one pro tip is to get people on your email list. So you want to integrate your email server with any of these options. You can use MailChimp. I set up all my clients on Kartra, and if they want to, MailChimp. So these are options. Once you have them, you can integrate them and send direct emails. The biggest takeaway that I want you to have today is that you can create a quiz to get a high number of leads every day. And you can also make a system so that you can track which of your leads is your ideal client. And you can do this by tagging them on your email list. Then you can send them specific email sequences so that they are really connecting with you and really connecting with your words. What I love about quizzes is that you can be very strategic. And I am an intuitive business strategist, so strategy is all game for me. So let me show you my case study. So this is my chakra quiz, and I have promoted this on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can share this anywhere you'd like. This is a very easy way to get leads. I got 127 leads with $80 of ad spend. I'm going to share with you this is my ad right here. And here you can see, I just want to show you my proof, $80 spent in November. So in the month of November, I got 127 leads for $80. Of those, you can upsell in many ways. So I hope you see now that it is very easy to get leads with a good quiz. Now, some of the tech, some of the questions and answers can be a little bit difficult, but this is what I do in my course and in my one-on-one coaching program. If you need support, if you need leads quickly, please connect with me below. And last but not least, you can create a powerful ad that people will like. This ad, 362 people have liked. It's been shared 85 times. So make sure that you are creating an ad that is really helpful and inspiring to your future clients. Now that you know how easy it is to get people on your email list with a quiz, I want you to join my private group. And this is especially for women entrepreneurs that want to scale their business. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it and making a comment below. You could subscribe so that you receive more marketing tips and case studies.